So hello everyone, today's lesson is how to create an web app using the Azure portal. So to do that we have to go to the Azure portal. So you have to type this URL portal.azure.com. Then after putting your email and password you will go to the Azure portal. So previously I have showed how to create a virtual machine in Azure portal. Now in this tutorial you will see how to create a web app. So to do that we have to search app service in Azure portal, and we have already created a resource group, so we don't have to create another resource group. Click on, make sure you have sponsorship. Resource group, we choose our already created resource group. We have to put the name of the app. It's like my app or my test app. Okay. The name actually already available, so you can use my test app 1. This one also available, so X1. Okay. Then we can choose the Docker container for Linux, and region we could choose South East Asia. Other things we could choose same as before. And then in Docker section we can single container. Image resource we can choose Docker Hub. Access type public. Image type we can use Microsoft slash ACI Word. Okay. Now we will go to monitor section. We will put the thing same as it is. Then tags we can put the name to find this app in future. It is optional, or if you want you can put any name. Then we will go to the review. If validation is done, then we will go to create. it is in deployment progress. So we have to wait some couple of minutes to see the app already being made. So the app is created. Now what we will do, we will go to the resource section. As you have seen, there is a URL already created, which is known as test app X. Okay, so we have copied it, and we have to open another tab here to test this thing. We have to paste it. So as you've seen, an app is created. So if you do not see these types of view, then there should be some problem in your head. So in this way we can easily create a web app. Thank you for watching.